Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 99. ADEUL. Again, it's ADEUL. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is A, second syllable is DEUL. Pronounce it with me. ADEUL. Again, it's ADEUL. The meaning of the word ADEUL is sun. Again, ADEUL is the Korean term for sun. How do you write ADEUL in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable A, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by an A character. For the second syllable DEUL, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an U character followed by a real character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word ADEUL. Again, this is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, we need a no sound iyang and an A character. And then for the second syllable, we need a dikit, and the real character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write ADEUL in Hangul. And again, ADEUL means sun. And with that, you've just learned ADEUL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 89 to 98. Don't forget our word for today, word number 99, it's ADEUL, which means sun. The first word for our review is word number 98, it's bumo, which means parents. Next word is tal, which means daughter. Next word is ane, which means wife. Next word is nampion, which means husband. Next word is halmoni, which means grandma. Next word is harabachi, which means grandpa. Next word is nugu, and this is used to ask who. Next word is sesangi, which means world. Next word is molla, and this is used to say, I don't know. Next word is modita. This is a verb which means to not know. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.